90 to 100 Maoists, well-armed, heavily armed Maoists. The Home Secretary is 26 CRPF Jawans of that battalion deployed there of ENF company have been killed. There are 6 to 7 others seriously injured. But
over 20,000 sophisticated weapons, including AK-47s. Some even go to the extent of claiming they have rocket launchers, grenades, high-powered landmines, remote-controlled explosive devices, night vision equipment, and even bulletproof jackets.
As India deals with cross-border terror, Maoists launched yet another daring attack, killing 21 cops in Bengal's West Midnapore. It comes just a week after the centre plans stricter measures to curb the...
A landmine blast triggered by Maoists in India's eastern Jharkhand state killed 5 people.
With one of them, Kareem is an area commander of the dreaded MCC group.
Shocking truth of Naxal training camps. Naxals who claim to fight for social. 300 women in the Naxal.
മാവോയിസ്റ്റുകൾ ആക്രമിച്ചു. ഏറ്റുമുട്ടലിൽ 6 മാവോയിസ്റ്റുകൾ കൊല്ലപ്പെട്ടതായി പോലീസ് അവകാശപ്പെട്ടു. ഒറീസയിലെ കിയോൻജാർ ജില്ലയിലെ ദെയ്താരി പോലീസ് സ്റ്റേഷൻ ആക്രമിച്ച 80 പേരടങ്ങുന്ന മാവോയിസ്റ്റുകളുടെ സംഘം